Let's have another story today. Now, this story is about two friends, Anaya and Kiara. So, the story goes something like this. Once upon a time, there were two friends, Anaya and Kiara. Anaya was the giver amongst the two. Like, she would notice the tiniest of the things, like Kiara's love for mint tea on stressful days, or how she disliked the phone calls after 9 pm. Anaya was the one who would give freely, whether it meant her time or her energy and even her emotions. In contrast, Kiara cared too, but in her own way. Kiara had grown up in a space जहाँ emotions को reserve करके रखना सिखाया जाता था. Don't expect too much. Don't express too much. Be strong. So expressing affection wasn't Kiara's natural language. However, over time, Anaya began to feel this imbalance. Why? Because the calls were always for Anaya to make. The messages were always initiated by Anaya. The warmth that Anaya gave was rarely returned the same way by Kiara, or so she felt. और सोने पे सुहागा कि धीरे धीरे लोग भी बोलने लगे. Why do you always go the extra mile? She's not even meeting you halfway. पता है इतना देने वाले लोग ही hurt होते हैं. Now, some of these people did say out of concern for Anaya. However, there were few who were also jealous of their friendship. Whatever may be the case, the words remained stuck with Anaya. And when Anaya looked around and saw a world where detachment was like cool and where self-love was becoming more like self-first, for a moment she started wondering, maybe it's better to give less. Maybe it hurts less. So she changed. She stopped showing up the same way. Her warmth became quiet distance. And the friendship, it didn't break, it just faded. Well, on the other side, Kiara was also noticing this silence. She would wonder, why doesn't Naya reach out anymore? But then Kiara never asked. Now, this was not out of guilt. This was out of care. Because Kiara thought that maybe Anaya has found someone who understands her better now. She said to herself, maybe she doesn't want to be disturbed. Because Kiara too was an empathetic person in her own quiet way. But then one day, Anaya had this moment. Maybe a light bulb moment, you can call it. She looked back at all the voices that told her to hold back. Protect herself, be less available. But in that silence, she heard something louder. Her own inner truth, her kindness, her loyalty, her way of loving. That was her USP, not her weakness, her superpower. And without overthinking, without giving any more ego structure to it, Anaya did something very simple yet very true. She showed up at Kiara's door. No drama, no lectures, no speeches. Just a familiar smile and 2 cups of mint tea. When Kiara opened the door, she was thrilled and surprised. And she was quiet. But her eyes softened instantly because some friendships don't need fixing, they just need reminding. So friends, this isn't just about these two girls. ये हो सकता है siblings के बीच, ये हो सकता है lovers के बीच, ये हो सकता है किसी भी relatives के बीच, ये हो सकता है आपके parents के बीच, spouses के बीच. So, when the world tells you to be colder, harder, distant, just let your soul choose differently. Let your USP never change. Not for validation, not for reciprocation, but because it's your divine design. Even when the world shifts, you stay you. क्योंकि असली लोग हमेशा रेयर होते हैं. Thank you and take care.